Hello guys, you are most welcome to another tutorial on Obuti Fashion channel. On today's video we are going to be tracing how to stitch this placket. You can see it's a very nice design. Another thing you can do is to use this design on the maybe on the pocket, or you can make use of it on the side of your senator or your kaftan dress. So without any further delay, let's get started. The first thing you have to do is to cut a different type of material like this, like two colors like this. So this is one. I'm using the cattle color and red for this. So you can just cut it. The wideness of this is like 2 inches. So while the length is 15.5 inches. This may not be enough. You still need to cut one more. So the same thing with the other one, and I cut it in two pieces. So you have to place the other color on each other like this, and then you stitch it straight down. You turn it to the other side, and then you measure like a 0.7. So you stitch it with 0.7. That will be the wideness of this, or you make it 0.8, but I'm making use of 0.7 here. So just stitch it straight down. And then you do the same thing on this second one also. Once you are done with this, you just need to trim out all the excess by the side. Trim the excess out, so it will remain like a 0.1 on the side. So you don't need much allowance inside here. So once you are done with this, you also need to pull it out like this. So just find something to pull it out from inside, and that is it. So you do the same thing on the second one also. And once you are done with this, just need to proceed to the table, and then you press it very well. Then you take another material, and then the wideness of this will be 1.6. so the back, you apply plastic at the back, so that will be the wideness of this placket. So that is a 1.6, so not up to 1.7. You can as well make it a 1.5 if you like, and then the length will be 14 inches. So the length will be 14 inches. So you mark the center of this, and then you roll it straight down. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure you click on the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I drop an amazing video like this again. So once you roll it, the next thing to do now is to cut the material which we just pressed now, so which we stitched before, and I'm making use of 2 inches here. So you cut it 2 inches, or so you cut all the material into two pieces or through. A very big shout out to one of my subscriber. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel and you are also want to get my shout out, all what you need to do is to click on the subscribe button and just type it that I just subscribe. You might be the next person that will get my shout out in my next video. So after you have done this, the next thing to do is to locate the place where the collar stay ended here, and then you leave like a 0.5 from the upper parts, and then you place make sure that the side where the carton that match the main material is the one facing upward, and then you just set it like this, and then you stitch it straight down. You place all the pieces we cut like this, and then you stitch it straight down. So when you get to the bottom area, you also leave like a 0.5 at the bottom area. So once you are done with this, the next thing to do is just to turn it like this, and then you stitch it on the edge. stitch it at the edge, and then you turn this one to the other side, turn this one to this right side, and turn this one to the left side, and turn this one to the right side. So this is how you will do on all these pieces one by one. So after you have done this, you turn it to the other side and then stitch it straight down as well. So that is it. So after you have done this, just trim out the excess by the side and make sure that it's rhyme with the collar stay on both sides. Make sure you knit all the thread, and then just take another material here now. So on the as the back, you mark a 0.2, mark 0.2 on both sides, and then you roll it straight down on both sides. Now you just need to take another material. So the wideness of this material that I cut is a 3.5, and then the length is the same thing with this material, and just stitch it all through at the place which we just mark now. And then you take another material also and do the same thing here as well. Please, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure you click on the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up so that a lot of people will be able to benefit from it. So once you are done with this, you just need to proceed to the table and do the ironing here. So you first iron it from the front and make sure you lay material on it to avoid the shining of the material. So you press it very well and press it at the back also. Now you apply hemming gum on it. You can then trim out the excess at the top, and then you fold it and place it on the side like this. So this to make the side to be very firm. Make sure that it's firm with the collar stay. Do the same thing on the other side also. So you fold this side also, and once you are done with this, the opening of this placket will be 8 inches. So you just cut it like this, and then you fold the bottom also. And press it very well. And that is it. Can see this. So if you want to know how to fix this collar to the material, you can check the link to the video at the end of this video, or you check the description box to see the link on how to fix this placket. You can see how nice and beautiful the result is. Please, if you derive value in this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And I also have over 10 type of plaquettes in which you can learn on this channel. So make sure you click on the subscribe button for you to enjoy that. So see you in the next video, and bye for now.